These are the SA-Z1 Signature Series near-field monitors. Every element in them is designed for absurd precision, so you can appreciate your music in an entirely new way. Digital and analog inputs deliver audio to the dedicated hybrid amp. The revolutionary digital amplifier uses gallium nitride power devices for exact reproduction well beyond the frequency limits of ordinary amplifiers, making it ideal for high-resolution audio. Further precision is provided through an error-correcting parallel analog circuit. The audio signal is then optimized through a custom-engineered field programmable gate array processor designed for microsecond time alignment between the main speaker woofer and the innovative IRA tweeters. The entire cabinet is built of thick composite aluminum panels for minimal resonance, while even the unique Tizumi woofer design counteracts vibration with horizontally opposed woofers for a huge soundstage. There's nothing quite like the SA-Z1's acoustic presence, so you can virtually pluck out any individual instrument from even in a dense music mix. The SA-Z1 is the ultimate music experience for the ultimate critical listening enthusiast.